In today's video, I'll be transforming my toenails using Polygel. Stay tuned to see step-by-step tutorial. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm doing a full Polygel pedicure. I'll take you through each step from prep to final close look. I always start by prepping my natural nails. I'm starting by applying the cuticle cream around my nails to soften the skin before trimming away the dead cuticles. And I'm using cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles and trimmer to trim away the dead skin. Next, I file the nails to remove the natural shine. This step is important so the product can adhere better. Next, I'm gonna apply a peel off base coat. I don't want to soak it off, I want to pop it off. So polygel needs something to adhere to, so like apply base coat every time when you do polygel. That is my advice. And when I'm done applying this base coat, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. I decided to go with this nude polygel and the slip solution for the liquid, and I'm just gonna scoop it onto my toes and then start dipping it with this brush. And I'm constantly dipping this brush into the solution so that the application won't be sticky. So yeah, I'm dipping it up until the size and the shape that I want for the nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure before I move to the other nail. And this is my application. I'm gonna wipe the stickiness on my nails with acetone and start shaping with a file and then the nail drill. I'm gonna smoothen the surface of my nails with a nail file to make sure it's even and looks natural. With the structure ready, I'm applying my gel polish color. 2 coats will give me that smooth, even coverage. So bear in mind, I was curing each layer 60 seconds. So I decided to do a design on my big toe. So I went with this flower design. I used dotting tool and then a liner brush for this design. Now for the top coat. This seals everything in and gives that beautiful shine. I always finish with cuticle oil and some moisturizer to keep my feet soft and hydrated. Here's the final results. My Polygel pedicure is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my other pedicure videos linked here. Bye bye.